area of the world. We have been here for hundreds of years. We will be here for hundreds of years more.
Yeah.
You have a friend in the United Kingdom, and on behalf of my nation, my government and my navy, it has been a great honour to welcome you to the ship, but also to welcome all of you on board the best ship in the British fleet.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
Big master of the British Navy. All right, yeah. You guys.
And I think now we need to get you ashore to see the boarding demonstration. So there is a boarding demonstration take place, and the boat is ready for you. So please, sir, we have your caps outside.
Okay. So you have to see your pictures at our website.
Oh, I like that.
Do it.
Yeah. And Andy will tell me the website.
Somaliland. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you very much.